Hey bitch, if this is your first time clicking on my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And also don't forget to click the bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a video. So from the title of this video, I'm gonna start like a new series for you guys. I know you've seen like Barbie on a budget and broke and bougie, like stuff like that. So mine is called Hustler on a Budget because you know, y'all know what I do for a living, and bitch, just because you're a stripper does not mean that you need to blow all of your fucking money. This is a hustler on a budget video, so I'm just gonna get straight into the video. I don't really want to talk too much. First, I want to talk about my hair. So this is an old wig. I've had this wig for, I don't know, a couple months, however long ago I did the wig review on it. I will put the link to that video below. Actually, I'll insert a picture right now of how I wore it the first time, so I'll insert a picture. What I did was I took it and I cut off all like the old lace, all the old glue and stuff like that off of it, and then I washed it. Well, yeah, I washed it, but I didn't use shampoo. I used silicone conditioner to make sure that it still smells good. And what I did is I just kind of parted this a little deeper on the sides, and I took the hair and just twisted it, and I just wrapped it into like this little ball. I still had some gold clamps from when I had my braided wig, so I just put one. Actually, the one I put right here fell out. But I put one right here and I put one right here. I had the gold clamp when I had my braided wig, so it just made me want to put a braid. So I just parted right here and I braided it, and I just put a clamp right here, and I just put some string just to add some decoration. And then for some reason I just wanted to like add some more string, add some more gold to the top. So I just like tied the string around, and that's pretty much it. This is an old wig. I did not buy a new wig this week. That has saved me money already. And I did also use, it's not in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the link in the description box for you guys. Let's also talk about my hustler on a budget savings with my nails. I usually spend at least $100 every time I go to the nail shop. It's really not a lot considering what I like to get, and that's my hands and my feet included, so that's really not that bad. I really wanted my nails done. Y'all know I love long nails. Y'all know that I like the dramatic, the stones, I like colors. I love stuff like that. So I knew that this would cost me, with what I wanted this time, I knew I would at least probably spend like maybe $130, maybe $150 at the nail shop, because I needed them soaked off. They were gonna be long. I wanted stones, the shape, I wanted ombre powder, you know, all of this type of stuff. So I knew it would cost that. Although I had it, I am putting my money towards other things right now, and I have to stick to that. So I just sucked it up and I decided to just get a pedicure and then wear some press-ons. If anybody knows me in real life, y'all know I'll put press-ons on in a minute. I don't care. Like, I don't care. I will wear press-ons in a hot minute. As long as they look good, I'm good, and I know how to make sure my press-ons stay on, because I barely take showers. Most of the time I soak in the tub. I forget I have press-ons on sometimes because they don't come off. So I want to talk about my nails. I'm gonna actually insert a photo of how my nails are right now so you guys can get a feel of that. So yeah, that's how my nails look. Okay, like, the hair store I got these from, girl, they be trying to make sure a bitch do not steal. So they taped it up so bad that I had to cut open the box to even use them. But this is what the box well, actually, I'm gonna insert a photo of how the box originally looked. Salon Home Kiss Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Mani. This came with 30 nails, and it included 12 accent nails. At first when I got this, I thought that they were saying like 12 of the stoned out nails. I wanted to do my middle 3 fingers stoned out. Oh y'all, I'm ashy as fuck. Man, I'm always wearing makeup or something, so my hands is always trying to get ashy. but I caught it, bitch. Well, I'm glad I didn't put my hands in the camera trying to show y'all my nails. My hands would have been ashy than a bitch. Okay. So yeah, so it came with 12 accent nails. So I thought it was saying 12 stone nails, but it actually came with like a few metallic covered nails. So I guess those count as the accent nails. I get kiss press on nails all of the time. I've never had to pay this much for press-ons. These press-ons cost $11.99. I usually pay like $7.99, $8.99 or something like that. These were $11.99. I'm sure it's because of the quality and because of the accent nails. I can honestly say these are probably the best press-ons I've had. Oh, I got on lotion now, so I can show y'all. Like even up close, like this does not look like I did this myself. It just doesn't, not to me. It really looks like I went and got my nails done. As long as you do that and then go get your feet done, and the pedicure ones from what? $20 to $30 depending on where you go. And then $11.99, so you've only spent like $30 or $40 on your nails and your toes. So yes, the nails were $11.99. I got those nails from Jenny Beauty Supply Store here in Dallas, Texas. That's where I got them from. Not the Jenny's on Beltline, the main big super center hair store. I want to know if you guys want me to like start making into makeup videos. I actually really want to do that, but I don't know, I don't know. I have on lighter foundation and stuff like that because it's the summertime and it's just hot. And like, I done had to change my foundation like, I don't know how many times because I keep getting darker than lighter. Like, so that is how I am being a hustler on a budget. I'm going to be recycling my old wigs and styling them a little different. Let me know if you guys actually want to see like the tutorials and things like that. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys want to see how I styled this wig this way. And I will definitely do it on camera for you guys. If there are any dancers or anything watching my channel, let me know how you guys strategize to save your money with things. Do you sacrifice at times? What do you not sacrifice? So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be keeping up with this hustle on a budget series. Also, because if you're a dancer, you know, in a lot of places it gets very slow in the summertime. So you have to be careful, like the days you invest to go to work and then when you do make the money, what you actually do with the money. I'm feeling this shirt with the little gold accents. I don't know, I just think my skin looks beautiful today. That's pretty much it for my hustle on a budget video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, bitch.